screwdriver kit right here. This one's nice because it's got everything you need in this case. This case does close up like this, so it's very portable, very easy to use. You see, this doesn't fall out. To open it, you push this up right there and then pull it up and you're good. Very nice case. I like the way it locks in place. It's solid. You have your screwdriver right here, which is USB Type-C charging. You have 3 torque setting, 1, 2, and 3. Clicky and nice. You have direction forward and direction backwards with a light that activates when you're using it. You have your extension here if you want to use extension. Magnetized bit like that. It holds in place. It's strong. It doesn't come back out unless you pull on it. And then you can attach this bit, for example, for extra reach if you like to go for the reach, or the simple one piece right here. That works too. Or you can go for the individual bits, like these bits right here. Now you can use these bits by themselves however you like, for example like this, or use this bit with the extension like this. Put this one over here, put this one here, and now you have extension again, forward and back. The speed doesn't change, it's one speed, but you can adjust the torque. Very nice and very convenient screwdriver set. I like that everything comes in this case, so that way you don't lose the bits and pieces and you put it away like this, because that way you don't have to look for your bits and pieces when you need it. And this again locks in place like this. It's a solid case. Open up like this and you're good to go. HOTO screwdriver kit.